Good morning, children. Now, let us start with this volume 2, chapter number 7, application of differential calculus. Am I right? Now, by using this idea only for the second exercise. Now, I start second exercise. Equation of the tangent at x1, y1 mean y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Another one, the equation of normal at x1, y1 mean y minus y1 equal to minus 1 by m. Change the sign and reciprocal of slope. X minus x1. If the two curves are cut orthogonally or cut at right angle mean, then the product of the slopes equal to minus 1. Angle equal to the two curves. What is the formula? Tan theta equal to modulus of m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 into m2. If the tangent is parallel to x-axis mean dy by dx equal to 0. If the tangent is parallel to y-axis mean dx by dy equal to 0 or otherwise dy by dx equal to infinity. Note, slope is what is the meaning? When the equation of the curve given mean, the curve differentiate with respect to x, afterwards substitute the point, we get slope m. That is, m represent slope. Slope is what? Differentiate with respect to x, then substitute the point, we get the slope. The two equations are given mean, two equations will solve 1 and 2, then find the points. Afterwards, differentiate first equation with respect to x, substitute the point, we get the m1 slope m1. Differentiate second equation, substitute the same point, we get m2. Afterwards, angle with substitute m1 and m2, we get the answer. Cut off the also, two equations given the same method. To find m1, m2, this is the idea. Anyway, so use this much idea only for second exercise. From the second exercise, the very important 5 mark question is there. So many 2 mark, 3 mark question also is there. Very simple concept. Before that, you must know thorough all the differential calculus formula also. Differentiation is very important. For actually also, differential calculus is very important. That's why I want to write something important. Differential calculus formula also. Now we say here, these are the formula. Already you know, that's an idea. If y equal to c, constant mean difference in the dy by dx equal to 0. X power n mean n into x power n minus 1. Log x mean 1 by x. E power ax mean a into e power ax. Sin inverse of x is what? 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Cos inverse of x is what? Minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Tan inverse of x is 1 by 1 plus x square. These are all trigonometric functions. Sin x means cos x. Cos x means minus x. Tan x means secant square x. Cosecant x means minus cosecant into cot x. Secant x equal to secant x tan x. Cot x is minus cosecant square x. Product rule UV formula. U into B dash plus B into U dash. U by quotient rule. Denominator is B square, B into U dash minus U into B dash. Already told you know. Differentiation of co-function. Start with CO. These are all co-functions. We will get negative answer will come. Mind it. Rely on positive. Next is first formula. What I told you, second exercise. In all second exercise problem, angle between the two curves cut orthogonally, tangent and normal. Am I correct? You must cover all the formula also. Now this idea 7.14, 7.15, 7.17, 7.18 and example exercise 7.29 and 10. These 6 problems are by using 2 equations are given. That is what? Solve 1 and 2, you will find the point first. Afterwards, differentiate first equation with respect to x, substitute the point, we get m1. Differentiate second equation, again substitute the same point, we get m2. Afterwards, after finding m1 and m2, cut the orthogonally. The word involved mean you want to multiply both equal to minus 1. m1 into m2 equal to minus 1. Angle between asking mean write the formula tan theta equal to m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 into m2 area. Anyway, these 6 problems are very important 5 mark question. These 6 problems are the same concept. Find m1 and m2, then extra okay. That's why I start this by 6 problem. I want to complete first 6 problem after the remaining problem. Now I will start the 7.17 exercise example 7.17. Now the example 7.15. Find the angle between the curve y equal to x square and x is equal to y square at the point of intersection of 0, 0 and 1, 1. 2 points are already given. Suppose this particular problem points are not given in solving 1 and 2. Both the equations we get the point. That's extra. But again, by chance I am given. Now that differentiate with respect to first equation, differentiate with respect to x, we get dy by dx equal to 2x. That's all. Now again, differentiate x equal to y squared with respect to x. This can be y squared divided by x. Differentiation of this is short. 2y into dy by dx equal to 1. Therefore, dy by dx equal to 1 by 2y. Usually, after differentiation, substitute the point here, we get so m1. But here, second one is what? 1 by 2y is there. Denominator having y. Replace x by 0 means, denominator 0 means infinity will come. M2, M1 is substitute 0, 2 into 0, 0. Only M1 equal to 0, but M2 infinity will come. That's why substitute M1 value and M2 value in the formula, attached formula, we will not get the answer because infinity is there. To avoid this confusion, first find differentiate, afterwards by using the formula is what? If theta is the angle between them, these two, then what is the formula? Tan theta equal to, this is first answer M1, say M1, this is M2. Am I right? What's the formula? M1 minus M2 by 1 plus M1 into M2. Now substitute here equal to M1 is what? 2x by 1 by 2y. 1 plus 2x into 1 by 2y. Am I right? Now in numerator 2y is LCM. Cross multiply 4xy minus 1. Here are 2y LCM. Now here 2y plus 2x. 2 will be cancelled. Here 4x minus 1 by the 2 is common. X plus y. Am I right? X plus y. Am I right? Now substitute the first point and the second point, we get the answer. This is only easy for you. This particular problem, 0, 0 is given. That's why some extra work is coming. Now, what is the again? First subdivision to find the angle. At 0, 0. Am I right? What is the formula? Tan theta 1, let it be. Tan theta is the formula actually. 2 formulas given. The theta 1 is equal to tan theta 1 is equal to. Here, what is the answer? 4 into 0 minus 1 divided by 2 into 0 plus 0. Am I right? The minus 1 by 0 actually. That is infinity. Any number by the infinity. That is what? Tan pi by 2. The theta 1 equal to pi by 2. Am I right? The next one is to find the angle at 1, 1. Tan theta 2 equal to 4 into 1 minus 1. 2 into 1 plus 1. 4 into 4 minus 1. 2 into. Now 3 by 4. Then I put the models. Upon tan theta 2 is this one. Theta 2 is 3. Tan is of 3 by 4. You have to answer. What is the reason? Usually, after differentiation, immediately substitute the point, we get M1. Again, differentiate with respect to x, substitute the point, we get M2. After write the form, substitute the value. But here, denominator having x or y, no? X will 0 mean, y will 0 mean, x will 0 mean. Yes, suppose x plus x0, y0. Automatically, denominator 0, any number will be infinity. This is correct. But to the color separately mean 0 into infinity will come. That is indeterminate form. To avoid the indeterminate form by using this idea. This is only one problem by using this idea. After the differentiation, directly write the formula and substitute the value. After substitute the particular point. Here 2 points are given, substitute 2 points, we get answer. That's all. Now next question. Exercise 7.2. The first question, find the slope of the tangent to the curve at the respective given points. Now what is given? This is given. Y equal to x power 4 plus 2x square minus x. Now differentiate with respect to x. Differentiation of y is dy by dx. Differentiation of x power 4 is what? 4 into x cube. Here 2. Other 2 is there. 2 is 4 into x minus x is 1. Now you got slope, you know. Slope of the tangent m equal to what is the number? Dy by dx at the x is equal to 1. Because the x only involving. Substitute x only, we get the slope. Suppose here y also involving. Substitute x only here, we get y to find the point first. Then the same method. But x only involving, that's why that differentiate with respect to x. Now substitute x only here. 4 into 1 cube. 4 into 1 minus 1. 4 is 4 plus 4 plus minus 1. That is what? 8 minus 7 is the answer. That's all. Here is the question. First given x equal to a cos cube t. Differentiate with respect to t. That is so dx by dt is equal to a constant cos cube t. That is what? Cos t whole power 3. That is what? 3 into the power will be reduced by only no 3 into cos square into cos t difference is minus sin t. The answer is minus 3a cos square t into sin t. This is the answer. Similarly, put the Cartesian y equal to b sin cube t. Here also differentiate with respect to t. So dy by dt is equal to b into 3 into sin t whole square into difference sin is what? Cos t. So 3b sin square t into cos t. We want dy by dx. Divide both dy by dt by dx by dt. Am I right? Here 3b sin square t into cos t. Here minus 3a into cos square t into sin t. 3 cancel, 1 sin cancel, 1 cos cancel. Now after cancel minus b by a into here sin by cos is what? Tan t. Now what is asking? Slope of tangent is asking. What is the formula? M equal to dy by dx at t equal to pi by only given. The question is minus b by a into tan of pi by 2. Tan is what? Infinity. Am I right? Infinity is something? Infinity. Infinity. Tan is infinity. Infinity something also? Infinity. So minus b by a into infinity. That is infinity is the answer. That's all. Anyway, the 2 mark question. You must understand the concept. Slope asking me differentiate with respect to x. That means you will find the value of dy by dx after substitute the point. That is the answer. Listen here. Second question. Find the point on the curve. What is asking? Any point on the curve we are asking. Y x square by x plus 4 at the which the tangent pair to the straight line. I want to assume x1 comma y1 be the point on the curve y x square minus 5x plus 4. Now after we substitute the point y1 equal to x1 square minus 5x1 plus 4 equal to 4. That is the first equation. Then as usual, the given equation differentiate first equation with respect to x. Differentiate x square equal to 2x minus 5 into differentiate x is 1. The constant will become 0 for 2x minus 2. Now substitute the point. That is called slope. Slope m1 equal to dy by dx at x1 comma y1. Substitute here m1 equal to 2x1 minus 1. The parallel means you find the slope of the side line. The slope of the line 3x plus y equal to 7 is m2. Another slope. Two slopes. By using the curve means differentiate with respect to x. Substitute the point. That is called slope. Straight line will mean the slope formula is what? Minus coefficient x by coefficient y is the formula. minus co-index is 3 divided by 1 minus 3 m2. Since they are parallel, so both will be slopes will be equal. The first one is 2x1 minus 5, second one is minus 3. We want x1, 2x1 equal to minus 3 plus 5 plus 2 divided by 2, x1 equal to 1. Put x1 is equal to 1 in the first equation. y1 equal to what? 1 square. 5 into 1 plus 4. 1 minus 4 plus 5. That's 5 minus 5 0. This is y1. Therefore, the required point is x1 comma y1. x1 is 1, y1 is 0. This is the answer. Listen here. Third question, just like the previous question, second question, point only asking. Find the point on the curve y equal to x cube minus 3 6 x square plus x plus 3, where the normal is parallel to x plus y equal to 1 7 to 9. First assumption that x1 comma y1 is a point on the curve y equal to something. Substitute the point here, y1 square x1 cube 6x1 square x1 plus 3. Then as usual, differentiate the curve with respect to x. Our differentiation of y is what? dy by dx. X cube becomes 3x square minus 6 constant. Differentiation of x square is 2x. The x becomes 1. This is a constant, no? 0. Now 3x square, what will we do? Minus 4x plus 1. Now slope m1 equal to dy by dx at particular point x1 or y1. Substitute here 3x1 square 1x1 plus 1. This is called slope m1. Now next is second line. Only line, no? The slope of the line x plus y 1729 is what the formula? Minus co-efficient x by co-efficient y. You know number, no? Minus 1 by 1 is minus 1. Normal slope is perpendicular slope. That means what? Change the sign and reciprocal. The one reciprocal is 1. The minus there plus plus. M2 equal to 1. The parallel divided by no. Since they are parallel, that's why slopes will be equal. The first slope 3x1 square minus 4x1 plus 1. The next one equal to 1. Now 3x1 square minus 4x1 is equal to 1 minus 1. Out of these two, what is common? 3 common, x1 common. x1 minus 4 equal to 0. Product of two terms 0 means is the first term 0 and x1 equal to 0. Next term 0, we can answer x1 is 4. Am I correct? Now case 1, put x1 is equal to 0 in first equation. y1 equal to 0 cube 0 minus 6 into 0 0 plus 0 plus 3. Only 3 will come. Am I correct? Put x is equal to 4 in again 1. y1 equal to 4 cube minus 6 into 4 square plus 4 plus 2. 64. That means 16 into 6. What is the answer? 36, 96. Plus 4 plus 15. 7. 4 plus 2. Now adding 71 minus 96. Am I right? Am I right? Then simplify. We get the answer minus 25. Subtract minus 25. Therefore, required points are x1 0, 3 and x1 is 4, no? 4, minus 25. This is the answer. The normal involving the plane, you will find normal slope, then they are parallel. The normal will be not involving m equal to minus 1 only. That is the answer. Listen here. Fourth question. Find the point on the curve. The same thing only. Let x1, y1 be the point on the curve. Which curve? Y square minus 4xy equal to x square plus 5. Am I right? Which implies y1 square 4x1 y1 x1 square plus 5. This is the first equation. Now same thing. Differentiate y square minus 4xy equal to x square plus 5 with respect to x. Am I right? Now difference of y y into dy by dx. Am I right? Minus 4 is constant. Out of x into y, by using UV formula, x into differential of y is dy by dx plus y into difference x is 1 equal to differential of x square into 2x. This is 0. Now multiply 2y dy by dx minus 4x dy by dx minus 4y equal to 2x. Am I right? Out of this two, what is common? 2 into dy by dx is common. What is the time? Y minus 2x. Am I right? Here 2x plus 4y. Am I right? Now we want dy by dx. That's why dy by dx is equal to here 2 is common, x plus 2y divided by 2 into y minus 2x. Am I right? This will cancel. Therefore, slope is equal to dy by dx at x1, y1. Am I right? Substitute here x1 plus 2y1 divided by y1 minus 2x. So is the slope. But the tangent is horizontal. That means what? The tangent is horizontal means given the tangent is horizontal. That means slope will be equal to 0. That means what? Which is like dy by dx at 0. This is the concept. What is the reason? Tangent horizontal means x-axis. Slope is dy by dx. Equation of tangent at the x-axis means dy by dx is equal to 0. The dy by dx is what? Slope is 0 here. Slope already find out. x1 plus 2y1 by y1 by 2x1 is equal to 0. Am I right? x1 by y1 equal to 0. Last one time x1 plus 2y1 equal to 0. Am I right? x1 equal to minus 2y1. Therefore, we want x comma y. That's why x equal to minus 2y1. Substitute in one first equation, they get y value. After find x value, we get the answer. Somewhat extra calculate. Let it be 2. Put 2 in 1. In sub x1, substitute here y1 should add is there minus 4 into x1 is what? Minus 2y1. Already y1 is there equal to x1 square minus 2y1 whole square plus 5. Now multiply again y1 square plus 8y1 square equal to here 4y1 square plus 5. Right? Now add 9 minus 9y square minus 4y1 square equal to 5. y1 square 5y1 square 5 y1 square equal to 1 y1 is plus or minus 1. Therefore, when put x1 y1 equal to plus 1 into second equation. What is the answer? x1 equal to minus 2 into plus 1, that is minus 2. One answer over. Put y1 equal to minus 1 into, what is the answer? x1 equal to minus 2 into minus 1, that is 2. Therefore, the required points are x1 comma y1. What is the answer? Minus 2 comma 1 and 2 comma minus 1. Am I right? You want to write the points in terms of, therefore, required the points are, you want to write x and y. This is what? x1 is what? Minus 2. The corresponding value y is minus 1. So minus 2 comma 1. Another is x1 is 2, y is minus 1. In this way you want to write. For example, length calculation. Concept easy. But previously exactly they get the answer. You don't know. But here one more time x1 and y1 involving substitute there. We get the y1 value after x1 value. Concepts are same. Now question number 5. Find the tangent and normal to the following curves at the given points in the curve. Find the equation of tangent. That's understood. Tangent normal also means find the equation of tangent and normal is also mean. The same method. What do you know? This is the question. Given y equal to x square minus x power 4. Now differentiate with respect to x. So difference is now y is what? dy by dx equal to x square become 2x minus x power 4 become 4x cube. Now slope m is equal to dy by dx at 1 comma 0. 2 into 1 minus 2 into 4 into 1 cube. 2 ones are 2, 1 cube is 1, 4 into 1 4. That is minus 2. This is the meaning. Therefore, what is our name? Equation of tangent. Short form is tangent at 1 comma 0 is our same. What slope? 1 point is what is our y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Y minus x1, y1 0. This is minus 2. X minus 1. Now multiply. Y equal to minus 2x plus 1. Right in order. This is the required tangent equation. First answer over. Second answer. Equation of the normal at the same point 1 comma 0. What is the formula? Y minus y1 equal to minus m minus 1 by m into x plus x. What is the formula? Substitute here y minus 0, m is minus 2. Change the sign and it's problem. What is the answer? Minus 1 by minus y1. Minus 1 cancel here. X minus 1. Cross multiply. 2 into y equal to x minus 1. X minus 2y minus 1 equal to 0. This 2y comes in. This is the answer. When the first subdivision, one equation is given, curve given, one point given. Differentiate with respect to x to the curve, substitute the point is called m. Point already given. One point, one slope. Tangent formula is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Normal equation is the y minus y1 equal to minus 1 by m into x minus x into x minus 1. Substitute the value, you get the answer. Now second subdivision. The second subdivision of the same method. Y equal to x power 4 plus 2 into x power e power x at 0 comma 2. Now differentiate with respect to x. The y become dy by dx equal to x power 4 becomes 4x cube. 2 into e power x becomes e power x. And slope m is equal to dy by dx at 0 comma 2. Substitute here 4 into 0 cube plus 2 into e power 0. 4 into 0 0. 2 into e power 0. N number for is 1. 2 is the number. The first subdivision, equation of the tangent at 0 comma 2. What is the formula? Y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. What is the formula? Y minus y1 is what? 2. M is 2. X minus 0. Only 2x. Am I correct? Therefore, 2x here, the y comes at minus y, the minus comes at plus 2 equal to 0. This is the tangent equation. Next subdivision, equation of the normal at 0 comma 2. What's the formula? Y minus y1 equal to minus 1 by m into x plus x1. Y minus y1 is 2. M is what? 2. So minus 1 by 2. X minus 2. Cross multiply 2 into y minus 2. So minus 1 into x minus x1. 2y minus 4 equal to minus x. The minus is coming set x plus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. This is the answer. Small idea. Next question, y equal to x into sin at x equal to pi by 2 comma pi by 2. Now differentiate with respect to x. The y become dy by dx equal to this is our usual formula. X into cos x plus sin x into even x to 1. Now x into cos x only sin x. Now slope m is equal to dy by dx at pi by 2 comma pi by 2. x is pi by 2 into cos pi by 2 plus sin pi by 2. Right? Pi is 180, pi by 2 into pi is 180 by 2 is what? 90. Cos 90 0, sin 90 1. 0 plus 1 1. This is called limit. Then for some reason, equation of the tangent at pi by 2 comma pi by 2. What's the formula? Y minus y1 into equal to m into x minus x1. Y minus pi by 2 equal to m is what? 1 into x minus pi by 2. Now take two LCMs. 2y minus pi. Here 2x minus pi by 2. 2 to cancel. Next is 0 equal to 2x minus pi. Come to set minus 2y plus pi. This was the cancel. For 2x minus 2y equal to 0 divided by 2x minus y equal to 0. Yes, sir. First equation. Simplification very important. We get the answer. First answer x minus y equal to 0. The next solution. Equation of the normal at pi by 2 comma pi by 2. Y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1 is the formula. Y minus pi by 2. M is 1. But reciprocal is what? 1. Change sign. Formula is minus 1 by m. Minus 1 by 1. That is x minus pi by 2. Here 2 is LCM. 2y minus pi. Here minus 1 into 2 is LCM. 2x minus 2 to cancel. For 2y minus pi, here minus 2x plus pi. Come to set 2x plus 2y minus pi, again minus pi. 2x plus 2y minus 2pi equal to 0. Again divided by 2. X plus y minus pi equal to 0 is the normal equation. What is the simplification? Difference is important. Or substitute the point is around tension area. That's all. Only by using like the tangent equation, substitute m value and x1 or y1 value. After simplification, we get the answer. This particular problem, we need a point x comma y. Am I right? That's why substitute t equal to pi by 3 here. Then x equal to pi by 3, comma x equal to a cos pi by 3. A into cos pi by 3 is what? Cos 6 is what? 1 by 2. A by 2 is x. Similarly, y equal to 2 into sin square pi by 3. 2 into sin pi is what? Root 3 by 2 whole square. 2 into 3 by 4. Am I right? 3 by 2. Not a, but the question only cos t. But a will not come. Only cos t, no? This x, this y. This is the point is 1 by 2, comma 3 by 2. Then as usual. Now, x equal, here the question is what? X equal to cos t. Differentiate with respect to t. For dx by dt equal to cos t become minus sin t over. Y equal to 2 sin square t. For dy by dt is equal to 2 constant sin square of 2 sin t into cos t. For 4 sin t into cos t. Am I right? Now we want dy by dx. Dy by dx equal to dy by dt numerator, dx by dt denominator. Divide equal to 4 sin t cos t divided by minus sin t. This will cancel. Minus 4 cos t. This is dy by dx. Then as usual, slope m is equal to dy by dx. At what is the point? 1 by 2, comma 3 by 2. But here x not involved. T only involved. That's why substitute t value. Minus 4 into cos pi by 3. Minus 4 into cos pi is what? Cos 60 is what? 1 by 2. The minus 2 is m. Already point find out. So find out. Then by using tangent and normal formula, substitute the value, we get the answer. That is x cover. Okay? What is x over here? Difference separately. Then find the value of m. Now as usual, first one solution, equation of the tangent at what is the point? 1 by 2 comma 3 by 2. Y minus y1 equal to standard formula. Y1 is what? 3 by 2. This is minus 2. X minus 1 by 2. Am I right? 2 is LCM. 2y minus 3 minus 2 into 2 is LCM. 2x minus 1 2 to cancel. Am I right? So 2y minus 3 equal to minus 4x plus 2. Arrange order. 4x minus 2 plus 2y minus 3 equal to 0. So 4x plus 2y adding up minus 4 equal to 0 is the first equation. Similarly, equation of the normal at what is the point? 1 by 2 comma 3 by 2 is the point. What is the formula? Y minus y1 equal to minus 1 by m into x minus x1. Y minus y1 is what? 3 by 2 minus 1 by m. And the minus 1 is there. Here it is minus 2. Am I correct? X minus 1 by 2. Now once I try to LCM, 2y minus 3 equal to minus cancel. 1 by 2 into get to LCM, 2x minus 1. Am I right? 2 will be cancelled. Now cross multiply. 2 into 2y minus 3 equal to 1 into 2x minus 1. 4y minus 6 equal to 2x minus 1. 0 equal to 2x minus 1. This term comes to say minus 4y plus 6. So 2x minus 4y plus 5 equal to 0 is the answer. Tangent, non-body is asking.